Straight line wire drawing machine is one of the common metal wire processing equipment. Straight line wire drawing machine can be used for drawing high, medium, and low carbon steel wire, stainless steel wire, copper wire, alloy copper wire, aluminum alloy wire. Accurate metering with an error of 0.1%. Automatic deceleration and parking at fixed length. Wire brake detection and automatic parking. Forward and reverse jogging of any wheel and left and right linkage. Display of various fault information and processing information. And monitoring of various motion information.